Greetings from my English master. Dear students, in this video we are going to discuss about the changes that CBSE has brought in the class 12 English core examination 2020-21. You please see this. Your paper is English core and its code number is 301 and class 12 2020-21. And there are certain changes that CBSE has brought into this examination pattern this year. So earlier we had three sections: section A reading, section B writing, and section C literature. But this time, for this particular academic year, CBSE has made the question paper pattern into two: part A and part B. Part A, it is 40 marks, and in this 40 means in this part A section, here we are getting reading comprehension for 20 marks. So what type of passages that you are getting? Let us discuss that. So first one, this is multiple question based on unseen passage to assess comprehension, interpretation, etc. And here the question number is, you are getting 11 questions, and of the 11 you need to write only 10. So each question carries 1 mark each, so you are getting 10 into 1, 10 marks. So this is the first reading passage. And in the second reading passage, that is also a reading passage, second question, unseen passage, case-based factual passage with the verbal, visual inputs. Okay, like statistical data, charts, newspaper report, etc. Here also the number of question, total number of question, it is 11, and of the 11 you need to write only 10. And the same mark is awarded here in this second passage also, 1 mark each. So 10 question, 1 mark, 10 marks. So total first passage 10 marks, second passage 10 marks, you are getting total 20 marks over here. And the combined word limit of the two passages will be 700 to 750 words. I hope this reading section explanation is clear to you. First it is a passage and second is also passage with the 10 marks each. Okay, now we are getting the next topic, that is literature reader, 20 marks question there. So 20 marks literature. So that is a third question, comes in part A. So here the third question, multiple choice questions based on two prose extracts, one each from the books of Flamingo and Vistas. Flamingo and Vistas. You see this. And here it is, you are getting 3 extracts, and of the 3 you write any 2 of it. So 2 extracts you should attempt, and each extract will have 4 questions each. So each question carries 1 mark each. So 2 extract, 4 question. So total 8 marks. That is easy. And see this prose extract from Flamingo and Vistas. Okay. Now question number 4. It is multiple choice question based on poetry from the book of Flamingo. This is important. So poetry question from the book of Flamingo, and here also you are getting the 2 extract, and of the 2 you need to attempt only 1 question. Okay, 1 extract. So as I told you in the third question, this extract also will have 4 questions with 1 mark each. So you are getting 4 marks over there. So then we move on to the next one, that is actually it is 3, 4, 5 and text-based question to assess comprehension, analysis, inference and interpretation from the books Flamingo and Vistas. Means short answer questions. 8 out of 10 to be done. 8 out of 10 questions to be done. Yeah, so from both the textbook Flamingo and Vistas you are getting total 10 questions. Of the 10 you are supposed to attempt 8 questions. So each question carries 1 mark each. So 8 into 1, 8 mark. Okay. So children, this is part B, subjective questions, 40 marks. So part A also it is out of 40 marks, and here part B it is also 40 marks. So writing section, this is very important here. Writing section. So under writing section it is question number 1. So this is a short writing task. See, which are the items that comes there? Let us see. Notice, advertisement, up to 50 words. Okay, and here you are getting two questions, two options, and of the two you need to write only one. Okay, you need to write attempt only one, and questions to be answered 3 marks, format 1, content 1, and expression 1. So question number 2, it is also a short writing task, formal, informal, invitation, and reply up to 50 words. Here also in this both these questions you will get two questions, and of the two you need to write only one question. Okay, so 3 marks each. Here 3 marks, and here also question number 1 3 marks, question number 2 3 marks. Let's go to the third question, question number 3. Letter based on verbal visual input to be answered in approximately 120-150 words. Letter types include application for a job, letters to the editor giving suggestions or opinion on issues of public interest. 1 out of the 2 given questions to be answered. 5 marks, format 1, content 2, and expression 2. This is the mark split up 1, 2, 2. Okay, here types of letters include job application letter and letter to the editor. Okay, so word limit is also given over there, 120 to 150. So question number 4, writing article and report writing. Article and report writing. So descriptive and analytical nature based on verbal inputs to be answered in 120-150 words. 1 out of the 2 given questions to be answered. 5 marks, format 1, content 2, expression 2. So there is a difference in the mark distribution. Earlier, last year it was article writing was out of 10 marks and letter was out of 6 marks. And here both are 5 marks question, a letter 5 marks, and article or report writing also 5 marks. So total here we are getting 16 marks. That is 5 marks article, 5 marks letter, 3 marks reply to or formal, informal, invitation reply, and 3 marks notice or advertisement. So total 16 there in the writing section. So again we move on to the literature section there in part B. Here it is 24 marks. 24 marks question. Total 20 in part A, 24 in part B. So total 44 marks question we get from literature section. So 5 short answer type question out of 6 from prose and poetry from the book Flamingo. Very important. Easy to score area. Prose and poetry from book Flamingo. You get 6 questions, and of the 6 you write only 5. 2 marks each. 5 into 2, 10 marks. Okay. And word limit is also given over there, 30 to 40 words only. So then question number 7, 2 short answer type questions out of 3 from prose vistas, supplementary reader vistas. Here the number of questions that is less, that is only 3 questions they will give us, and of the 3 you need to attempt only 2. Okay, 2 marks each, 2 into 2, 4 marks. So 10 plus 4, 14. Now let's go to the next question. 1 long answer type question from prose poetry, that is from book Flamingo, to be answered in 120 to 150 words. Okay, to assess global comprehension and extrapolation beyond the text. So there also you are getting 2 questions. Okay, choices are there, options are there, so that you need to write only one. Mark distribution is 5 mark for that question. So 5 mark. Okay. Then 9th question, 1 long answer type question based on the chapters from the book Vistas. Okay, this is 9th question from the textbook Vistas, and there also you get 2 questions, and of the 2 attempt any one. Mark is the same as question number 8, 5 marks. Okay, so these are the changes, or these are the very important areas that you should look into. And keep in mind, these are the 2 parts, part A and part B, and both the part, okay, give us what, 40 marks each, and total 80 marks. Very important, we have 44 marks literature reader question. Okay, 44 marks. So due importance is to be given to the textbook, both the textbook, Flamingo and Vistas equally. So now let's go to the other areas. These are the two prescribed book, that is Flamingo and Vistas. And I have already told you that 30% of the portions are deleted from the syllabus this time. So let us go to the deleted topics now. Okay. So reading section, note making and summarizing. There is no note making. It is an easy scoring area, but note making is deleted. Literature reader, it is good to get these lessons deleted. Poets and pancakes, the interview, and going places. From the prose side, and from the poetry side, it is a roadside stand. So 4 lessons are deleted from Flamingo textbook. So just like Flamingo, from Vistas also some lessons are deleted. The Tiger King and the Journey to the End of the Earth, then Memories of Childhood. These are the 3 lessons that are deleted from Vistas also. From the writing section, see this, poster making, okay, and business or official letters for making enquiries, registering complaints, asking for, giving information, placing orders and sending replies, and speech and debate also. So 3 items are deleted from writing part also. So total 30% of the portions are deleted. So here we are getting question paper design also. See this, 2020-21 English core, your code number 301, don't forget it. So reading section or reading comprehension, total marks we are getting 20. Out of 80, the percentage is 25%. Okay. So like that, creative writing skills, it is only 16 marks, and out of 80 it is only 20%. And from the literature reader textbook and supplementary, so we are getting 44 marks total from the literature reader, and together it means altogether the literature reader section makes a 55% of total 80 marks. So assessment of speaking and listening, this is also very important. 20 marks question, that assessment of speaking and listening, 20 mark that is awarded by the teachers. Okay, teachers they themselves, and for that they will record your speaking and listening, and along with that some art integrated assignments, etc. that also will be conducted. Then moreover, your the neatness of your note, your completion of the notes, the assignments you complete, and the overall performance also will be assessed throughout this academic year. Okay, so based on that only you are awarded 20 marks. See, on an average, almost all the students they get this internal assessment mark from 16 to 20 usually. But those who do the things in a better way only, normally they get these marks. But those who are very poor in doing all these things will never get such marks. Okay, so these are all the important details that we want to discuss with the children, and our grand total is 100. And you see this, grand total is 100. Out of 100 only you are getting the mark in the mark sheet. Okay, mark sheet that is awarded to you after the examination. The theory paper is 80 and 24 internal assessment. Okay, and these are all the important details that I actually wanted to discuss with you about the recent changes that CBSE has made in the 2020-21 examination, English core examination. Okay, thank you for listening. Thank you very much.